What is the future of SEO? Is SEO going to die? Is Google still gonna be relevant after introducing Operator from OpenAI? Now this is a research preview of an agent that can use its own browser to perform tasks for you. And what it does is you're gonna give a simple prompt just like this: find and book me the highest rated one day, hotel on any website. Okay, let's just say TripAdvisor. Okay, example, we're gonna take this as an example. It is doing, you can see right here in the step by step, it's navigating, it's selecting, it's searching for top tier rooms, closing, searching, exploring, closing, all this kind of human functions, and it is reflecting as humans do, but it is missing one thing: the human favorable. Okay, so humans, as a human, if I would want to book an hotel, I like to go through, even if there are hundreds top rated hotels, I want to go through all of them and see which hotel has a best view. Okay, just because I'm a human, I would like to take photos and I want the best view. Of course, I go through every single one of them, and at the end I would book the hotel which I find convenience or I find it beautiful. Okay, it's not that AI to, I'm not some random AI, go directly to TripAdvisor, go open an app, open an Airbnb and type in top rated, a hotel or, rent flat in that location and, directly boom, bam, book and make the payment. No, we experience things and, we have some intent. It's called user intent, human intent. And with that intent, we want to book we perform a task. Okay, not only this, if we want to order a meal, if let's say you want to go to the restaurant. Okay, this is another example. You want to go to the restaurant and you ask and this AI operator agent to perform the task to book a restaurant nearby you, and you give a location and it boom, it books the top rated restaurant. But booking a restaurant is one thing. The second thing is it has a 5-star rating. That doesn't mean every single service or everything about the restaurant is good, right? So there are many, cases just like this, which I wouldn't use this operator or any other AI tools to perform a task for me. Now, it also goes to the same with those, software also making online communication. But nonetheless, what I'm trying to say is it going to really affect the SEO? Or does this, or, the search product from OpenAI is going to affect, I mean, it is, but not right now. Okay, it's slowly affecting the Google search or, the entire search thing. But still, I would go to Google to use my search, because the Google articles or whatever the content written on Google is written by humans, and I need a human validation. Even though if it is AI generated, I need a human validation to go through and gain information from. Okay, it's not just AI generated. Now Google is really good at taking care of that, dedumping the AI, trash AI generated trash articles which doesn't even provide value, or which doesn't even provide real value. And I still use Google. Okay, I don't rely on ChatGPT or any other business AI tools to use search. If you're using, congratulations, I'm not offended. But yeah, SEO is still in the game. You just need to focus on user intent. Again, provide a real value, you're gonna get monetized or you're gonna get ranking. If you don't provide value, if you're just using AI, it's up to you. Okay, you're not gonna rank just like that. Okay, so if it was easy, if ranking on Google was easy, everyone would have done it using AI. Okay, you put a $20 to AI SEO writers and everyone would have ranked. It is not easy, guys. SEO is not just writing. SEO is much more. So with that being said, if you have questions, comment down below. I'm gonna answer them. Or if you want to monetize your blog, I'll leave the link in the description. You can check that out. With that being said, catch you on the next one.